I'm gonna switch. Huh? Hmm? Ow, I feel like I'm about to die. I guess I ate too much soap this morning.